Hi, my name is Gina Margarita Yanguez, and today I'm going to talking about the stage of instruction in a criminal process in El Salvador. The stages are initial hearing, preliminary hearing, and public hearing. Initial hearing is the held before the justice of the peace in which the parties and the judge can provide a solution to the conflict without the need to arrive at the preliminary hearing. The requirement for this initial hearing is the respective fiscal requirements. Once the prosecutor's request has been received, the justice and peace will summon all the parties to the hearing within the time limits set in our law of criminal procedure, depending on whether or not the accused is the custody. In the event that he accused in detaining at the time of the initial hearing, the law established that the justice of the peace will receive his or her statement of inquiry at the hearing. The second one is preliminary hearing. The preliminary hearing is the oral hearing conveyed by the examining magistrate once the accusation of any of the other parties' request has been represented by the prosecutor or accused for the purpose of the party discussing its appropriateness of the just ruling on it. In other words, the preliminary hearing is a hearing conveyed by the instruction judge as a result of the formulation of an accusation by the prosecutor or of a request for any of the other situation. In order for the preliminary hearing to take place, there must be an opinion from the prosecutor or complainant, which must be presented 10 days before the date for which the preliminary hearing has been set. As stated above by the prosecutor or complainant, my purpose to indictment, final or provisional dismissal. So, now I'm going to talk about the public hearing. The trial is conducted on the basis of the evidence proposed by the parties, and exceptionality thus agreed upon by the court. The reports and allegations of the parties are here, the defendants are here, and finally, the trial is left ready for a conclusion, with a view to the pronouncement of acquittal or conviction, which must take place immediately. Now, in my own words, is the stage that recite the critics' measures of orally and the testimonial evidence. It is the one that accepts the critics' application of these oral techniques, since it is that their legally and effectiveness are developed and attractive. That is all I can understand about all the states in El Salvador. Thanks.